Okay. What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, when it comes to the smartphone's operating system, Android is the big name on campus, with an estimated 84.1% of all smartphones running Google's operating system. However, now it seems that Android might be about to face its biggest threat yet. And yeah, I'm not talking about iOS, but HarmonyOS. Well, Huawei's homemade operating system is Android's rival. So I will say now, Google should be worried because Harmony operating system might not just run on Huawei phones, but apparently handsets from Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and more, all of which are currently Androiders too. Well, this comes from a leaker on Chinese social media platform Weibo, who wrote regarding Harmony operating system, and he said, some mobile phone manufacturers are also contacting and have plans to adopt Harmony operating system for their devices. Following that up, MyFix Guide quoted a separate source which named Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and Meizu as the brands in question. Well, I'm not saying that these brands will completely ditch Android, but they might ship their fewer phones like limited edition phones with Harmony operating system. And the reason they are doing this is obviously United States of America. I'm not against America though, but they are trying to completely ban all Chinese companies, just like they did with the Huawei. More recently, they blocked Xiaomi, which is like the world's second biggest brand. So Chinese companies know that one day they will be blocked from the United States as well as from Google. So they already started their future planning. On the other hand, it's a really great news for Huawei as a brand though, because if these companies join Huawei, then it might be a complete disaster for Android, because Google stands to lose whatever small mind share it has in China through Android, even it doesn't officially have a presence there through Google Play Store. And slowly, they might start losing their share in the other markets as well. So yeah, what do you think about this massive news? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow found this video interesting, then a sub to the channel will be a great reward for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.